By the end of September, me and my girlfriend decided to have an adventure, to go somewhere else where we have never been to. I had 1 week free, but well, the pandemic situation all around the world forced me to rethink my itinerary. I had intentions to go to countries like Hungary, Montenegro, or even Greece. But with all the COVID-19 restrictions, we decided to go somewhere else. Somewhere in my country. And well, the Azores came to my mind. It was the only region in Portugal I've never been to, and I have to say, this won't be the last time I'm going there. Welcome to my experience in the San Miguel Island, the largest island of the Azores archipelago. Well, just enjoy, guys. We started by discovering the most famous natural monument of the Azores. The Lagoa das Sete Cidades, or Seven Cities Lagoon as in English, is an infamous lagoon separated in two. While the smallest of the lagoons has a green water, the largest by far has a bluish color, as a result of some natural process. Hey guys, another day and we are here in Lagoa das Sete Cidades of Seven Cities Lagoon, right? This is the Lagoa Verde, or Green Lagoon, and the other one is the Blue Lagoon. This was the same day we went to the abandoned hotel, which I posted adventure on a video, here on my channel. Well, click here guys to discover. Before going to the hotel on this first day, we went to discover the western part of the island, where we discovered this volcanic part, right next to the sea and where the water sometimes can be warmer than 40 degrees Celsius. After such an amazing beginning in the Azores, we were fulfilled of happiness, and we decided to explore another part, which is the furnace. Look how beautiful this landscape is, guys. I think I'm really lucky. There you have the calderas, where that has been made. I think you can see the smoke. Yeah, you can see it. Then you have the lagoon right next to it. Look how beautiful it is. Well, I think I'm really lucky to be here with my girlfriend. Let me show it to you, this landscape from closer. Yeah. Say hi! In Portuguese it refers to these holes with high temperatures and where sometimes water is bubbling. So hey guys, we just came to what is called here furnas, or caldeiras in Portuguese, and it's where the geothermal activity is present in the Azores, and you'll see, you can hear already the water boiling, and see by yourselves what this is and how amazing it is. You have that holes that where you can put your panel there, your pan there with the meat and the vegetables, and then you cover it with this earth above it, you see, and this is cooking. For what I could understand, it takes about 5 to 6 hours to cook, because it's cooking in a not as high temperature as in the oven. But yeah, I think it's a unique experience and we'll try to do it. See there, that one has been cooked already, right in the middle. I think we'll be eating one of these. Let's do it ourselves, because it's late already. And but I think in restaurants here they cook this like in this way, and they sell it to the customers in the restaurant. So yeah, I think we'll try that, and yeah, I'll show it to you. This guy is the final result of that procedure I showed to you. Let's eat. Let's eat, guys. tasting. Is it good? Gostas? Sabem enxofre? Está aprovado. Interesting part of eating this dish is to see if you can detect any sulfur taste in the cozido, because in the hole where you cook it, it is possible to see this yellow color, which is created by this mineral. And I have to say, it doesn't smell that good as well. On the next few days, we will be exploring the natural sights of the island, despite the fog and rain, which turned out impossible to visit some lagoons and beautiful parks. So we just came here on our fourth day to visit another lagoon, considered one of the beauties of Portugal. And well, the weather isn't in our favor, as you can see. You were supposed to see the lagoon from here. Yeah, you can see anything. On our last day before going back to our homes, we had the chance to visit one of the Azores' amazing natural parks, recently recovered after being abandoned for so many years. The Kwabena Park was recovered with the help of locals, which really transformed this part of the island. It was amazing to discover the forest, the waterfall, and part of the history behind this terrain. Let's go down there, guys. Let's go. You have to be careful, this is really dangerous. Look at my feet, they are so huge. They're so huge in comparison with the steps. Already, you can already see the waterfalls. Seems amazing, guys. This is our almost done. Almost. Finally. This step. Yes, I think you can go there, guys. Let's go. I think this is the Kwabena house, and as I thought I would find like some really cool recovered house, and this is what we got. Another abandoned place in the Azores island. I mean, there's a jungle inside. It's literally a jungle. Yeah. So quiet here, guys. You can't hear anything else. It's so quiet. Look. By the end of our journey, we were completely in love with the island. Now such a green and calm place in the middle of the Atlantic made us fall in love with travel again. Oh Azores, don't worry, we'll be back. For some of your other 8 islands for sure. Soon, I hope.